Let's check out how Sprinto can help with vendor security questionnaires. Once you log into your Sprinto account, you'll see the vendor section in the security hub. You can go to vendor security questionnaire section. From here, you'll see some templates which are also framework aligned. I can preview a security questionnaire. I'll be able to see the number of questions. I can download it as a CSV, I can make some changes, and I can re-upload it. I can also select some domains on the basis of which I'd like to evaluate my vendor. And once I'm done, I'll go back. You can add your custom questionnaires from here. And once you're done, you'll go to all vendors. Now, for example, I go to AWS, go to documents and links, and here you'll see request documents from the vendor. These are some reports that I can request from him, and these are some questionnaires. Now, again, I can see the preview for these questionnaires. I can add an email address, I can add subject, and once I'm done, I can see preview. This questionnaire will then be sent to the vendor email box, and they can collaborate and answer the questions, and that's how you'll be able to evaluate vendor effectiveness. Do give it a try, and all the best for your next audit.